Hi beauties, welcome back to another Spruce News video. So today I'm going to be creating this green eyeshadow look inspired by St. Patrick's Day. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. It's really quick, really simple, and I think anyone could rock this look. I tried to go with more of a glam green rather than an ultra bright green, so I hope you enjoy it. And if you want to find out how I created this, then keep on watching. So the first shade that I'm going to dip into is this one right here, and this is called Sunder. And what I'm going to do with that is just blend that into my crease, just to warm it up slightly before I apply the green shade. Then I'm going to dip into this shade right here, and this is called Fickle, and it's just like a light green shade. And I'm just going to blend that into my crease just to start introducing the green into my eyeshadow look. So start off with a light base and then just try and to intensify that further. Just keep building and adding to it, and it will soon deepen up. I've never created a look for St. Patrick's Day, and I thought, what could I create that's a little bit more glam but still incorporates like the colours. Here we go. Go green. Now dip into the shade right here, and this is called Pine. It's just a darker version of Fickle. I'm just going to blend that into my outer corner. Deepen up the outer corner first, and then bring that deeper shade into your crease. So now what I'm going to do is cut my crease using my RCMA palette. I was going to use Fix Plus, but then I just thought I prefer, because I've got two different shimmer shades, I think cutting my crease will just be a better base for it. Now I'm going to dip into this gorgeous green shimmer shade, and this is called Inspire. And what I'm going to do with this, I'm literally going to put it on 3/4 of my lid, leaving the quarter closest to my inner corner free. Just pat on that shade. And now we're going to dip into this bronzy shade, which is called So Glam. I'm just going to pop that into my inner corner where the rest of the concealer is, and just blend that in with Inspire. Put it into your inner corner as well, like so. And then I'm going to take a bit more of Inspire and just go over that green shade, just to get rid of any harsh lines. And then I'm just going to dip once more back into Pine and just blend that into my crease, just to smooth the edges again. And then I'm going to take Fickle and just put that underneath my lower lashes to finish the look. Like so. So I'm going to apply the rest of my makeup, and then I'll jump back on camera and show you the final look. So this is the final makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!